Come again to my vlog, my YouTube, my channel. Mabuhay, my ka-reels, my ka-Facebook, ka-tubers, yeah, ka-YouTube. Live na live, I'm here in Malasakit Center, Davao. So I would just like to feature these excellent services of our government with the authorship of Senator Bongo. Yes, Malasakit. So Malasakit, it comes from the word sakit or pain. It implies that you're giving care, empathy, compassion to a certain individual by means of financial, medical assistance. So my location here is in Davao City. When you're going to have your services here in Southern Philippines Medical Center, or formerly known as Davao Medical Center, you're going to apply for financial assistance. Malasakit Center is just a one-stop shop. Yes, it's here in one compound, in one area that you're going to look for financial assistance and medical free services. Yes, you have heard it right. Free medical services, laboratory, doctor's consultation, surgery, medicines. You might ask me, how much? It will depend on the assessment of the Malasakit Center or of the doctors. Your needs, it will depend on your needs of that person applying for Malasakit or services, medical, financial assistance. There are so many here. Just get inside the SPMC. Yeah, this is a one-stop shop. Inside is the office of the Lingap. Yeah, Lingap. Yeah, just the Lingap there. And at the back, Congressman Pulong. Yeah, Congressman Pulong there is also. Then we have the MAIF. It is still for medical assistance for people, those persons who are financially incapacitated or they don't have the capacity for medical care, medical attention, and all the procedures. What else? Yes, the social financial services is also inside this SPMC, this Malasakit Center area. But you're going to bring one sack of patients. Yeah. Magdala ka ng isang sakong pasensya plus your baon for lunch. Okay? So, plus water of course. Usually, you can have the processing of these papers, Lingap. Also, we have also, by the way, Vice President's Office, the Mayor's Office, PCSO, the DSWD services, and Department of Health. It's just nearby, it's just here in one compound. Okay. So you're going to prepare only such documents, photocopy of your ID, the doctor's prescription. If you have the previous prescription that is from the private hospitals, you're required to change that. You go to the SPMC doctor or City Health for reissuance of your resita or your medicine prescription. That will be changed to SPMC doctors or City Health here. For example, here in Davao. So, what are you waiting for? Just come now. Republica Act 11463. It is an act that is providing for the establishment of Malasakit Center. So we are really grateful, thankful to Senator Bongo as the proponent, the author of this act that was already formulated or put into implementation with the government. It's located here in Baada, just nearby Abrisa and Victoria Plaza Mall. Oh, please go here now and have your application for Lingap. But be prepared. Usually the processing it will take you more than one day, 2 days, and even 3, 4, or 5 days. Will depend on those people who are also giving their application. The number of people that usually it is jump pack. Oh. So come here in Malasakit Center and avail of free medical care services, laboratory, all the procedures, here surgery, doctors consultation, and medicines. Yeah, medicines. So this is it, live and alive here in SPMC Davao, Malasakit Center. I am your YouTuber, your vlogger, no other than Relight Teacher being Erlinda B. Basilio Rindo. Thank you everyone. Please follow me, my YouTube, my Reels, and my Facebook, 2 Facebook account. Also, I have my page, Erlinda B. Basilio Rindo. Thank you, Kamabuhay and Kamabuhayers. This is your vlogger, Teacher being Erlinda B. Basilio Rindo. Mabuhay! Buhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao, magandang buhay, lonely, good person, good life, good person. Until my next vlog, kamabuhay, kamabuhayers. Thanks everyone.